Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome extension without an account or without the web store. Now, this is perfect if you're using a work PC or a school PC, which doesn't allow you to have personal or other accounts on the PC. Now, this is quite easy to do, and I'm going to walk you through how you can do this. Now, currently, I'm not signed into any account on this Chrome profile, and I need to sign in into my Google account. But we're going to do this without the Google account. Now, first thing you want to do is to find the extension you're interested in. So you can click in the search section here, and then you want to search for the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store here, click on the first URL here, and this should bring you here. Now, in the search section here, you want to search for the extension you're interested in downloading, which we're going to be using AdBlock in this video. Search for the extension, and then click on the extension. This will bring you here. The only thing you need on this page is the URL of the extension. Once you have the URL of the extension, you can simply open a new tab here. I'm going to leave all necessary links in the description. The first link here is to GitHub. Now, this was created by someone and is open source, so we trust this. What you want to do when on this page is to come here and click on the link in this section here, and this will bring you here. Now, once here, go back to the extension page, copy the extension URL, and then come back to this page. In this section where it says URL of Chrome extension, paste it in this section here, and then you want to click on open in this viewer. This will start extracting the source code which was uploaded by the developer of the extension to the Chrome Web Store. So simply wait for this to finish extracting. Once extracted, you'll see all the code in this section with their total size. Now, do not worry, it's not going to be up to the 317 MB for download. On this page here, you want to come here and click on download. This will start downloading the zip file. As you can see, it's currently 69 megabytes. So the next step is for us to extract this into a folder. So I'm going to close this, and on my desktop here, I'm going to create a new folder. So it don't really matter how you name it. You can name it the AdBlock or whatever name you want to give to it. Simply give it a name. And then on the downloaded file, go ahead and open it, and you see what's inside. So if this is extracted to the desktop directly, this will appear all over my desktop. So what I'm going to do, I can go back here, and this is what we want to extract. Click on extract, choose my desktop here, and then click on the folder I want to extract it to. Now click on OK and wait for this to finish extracting. Once done extracting, you can close this, and now when you go back to that folder, you see all the documents that are in the folder. So the next step is to go back to your Chrome browser, and if you do not see the extension icon here, you can simply just click on the three dots in this section here, and you see extensions here, and then you see manage extensions. If that doesn't work, you can scroll down to the bottom and you see settings here. Click on settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll down under settings and you see extensions. Click on this, and this will bring you here. Now, while on this page, you want to enable the developer mode. Toggle it on. It's usually at the top right corner of your screen here. And once you have done that, the next step is the easiest step. You can simply just minimize on this, or you can simply just resize this, and then you want to go to your AdBlock folder. Drag the AdBlock folder, and you see it's giving you an option to drop to install, and drop it. Now you can open and wait for the installation process to finish. Now this usually takes a very short period of time. Some might open a web page to let you know that they are done if you need to sign in into an account, or you can simply just refresh in this section, and you see that an extra extension has been added, which is the AdBlock. So you can go ahead and sign in into your premium account if the extension supports free usage, you'll be able to use it without restriction. You also find the extension in your extension tab, and now you also see the extension icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll be able to manage your extensions and do other things with your extensions. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.